Hi, I'm Tim Nesmith, Ship Superintendent for the USS KIDD Veterans Museum, and you're watching KIDD Bits, the museum's educational resource series for teachers and educators. I'm standing in the ship's galley. This is the one and only kitchen aboard ship, and this cooked for all 330 crewmen during wartime. 3 meals a day, sometimes 4. You know, mathematics is involved in every aspect of the ship, whether it's from the physics used in her construction, to the trajectory needed to fire the weapons and hit a target so many miles distant, to something as simple as fuel consumption for either the ship or for the crew. We're going to be talking about cooking and mathematics today. Stand by. It's reportedly been said by such historical figures as Napoleon Bonaparte of France and Frederick the Great of Prussia that an army marches on its stomach. The same can be said of a navy. If the galley of a ship is not well provisioned, it affects the health of the crew and, just as importantly, its morale. How does math figure into all this? Math shows up in cooking and baking in numerous ways. 3 of the most important are as follows: converting temperatures between Fahrenheit and Celsius, working out cooking times based on weight and the temperature to be used, adapting the quantities of ingredients used in a recipe for a set serving size to that needed for a larger sized crew. The Navy is well known for its food amongst the armed forces, and Navy cooks are some of the best culinary experts in the world, particularly when it comes to cooking in bulk, which means they're also very good at math. All right, introduce yourselves, please.
I'm Joey, and I'm a volunteer here at the USS KIDD.
And I'm Drew. I served aboard the USS America and the USS KIDD DDG 993.
So Joey and Drew are going to help us correlate a little bit with math and cooking. And we're going to learn how to move from cooking for just a set recipe for a family style dinner to cooking for something as large as the crew of the kids.
300 plus people.
300 plus people. So let's get to it.
Okay, here we have 16 servings for our banana pudding that we are making for our 45 guests that we have coming in a couple of days.
Okay.
So we have the 1 box of vanilla wafers,
Yeah.
1 package of cream cheese, 2 boxes of Jell-O pudding, 3 cups of milk, which we have in here, our 1 can of condensed milk, our 1 tub of whipped topping, and there are 3 to 4 bananas that we have right here. We're doing 4 bananas because we really like bananas. So what we're going to do is after this, we're going to go ahead and grab the rest of the things and we'll be right back.
All right, guys, finished product.
All right, let's see how it's
Let's see how y'all did with my recipe.
Well, let's see, Mo.
I like it.
I really like it.
You really like it?
Very sweet. I love it.
Very sweet.
You guys did a great job with this.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for helping us learn how to correlate math with cooking. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. The USS KIDD is a non-profit educational organization that receives no regular state or federal funding. To book your next overnight experience, to book your next school field trip, or to access our teacher resources, click on the link below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go back to eating.